The students, today I am going to explain you an interesting poem, The Rebel. It has been composed by DJ and Wright. Firstly, I will tell you what is the meaning of rebel. Rebel means a person who likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do. He would do just anything but not what others are doing. A person who always disagrees with you or your friends. So let's start now. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair long. It means the poet wants to say when everybody wants short hair, the rebel wants to grow long hair. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody likes to grow long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When everybody likes to talk during the lecture, the rebel remains silent. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When everybody becomes silent, the rebel creates so much disturbance. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel likes to wear fancy dress. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. When everybody wears fancy dress, the rebel wears simple dress. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When the rebel finds himself in the company of dog lovers, he begins to prefer the cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. On the other hand, on being surrounded by cat lovers, he will put in a favorable word for dogs. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for rain. When everybody is admiring the sun, the rebel would be welcoming the rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody would be welcoming the rain, the rebel is regretting for the absence of sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. It means he always against others. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says yes, the rebel says no thanks. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. When everybody says no thanks, the rebel says yes, why not? It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. It seems that having rebels around us is beneficial as they train us to acknowledge differences. However, it is not good to be a rebel because they are not accepted by the society. Okay, so I think you will have understood the poem. Okay, thanks.